2x minus 2, and then we have the 12 too. So it's going to look like 12 plus 2x minus 2 equals, what is my big one? What's the big one? 5x plus 1. 5x plus 1. Okay, and on all these, it's telling us to find something in particular. Okay, so the one thing I can tell you is if we talked about the left and the right hand side yesterday. So if we look at the left side, see how there's 1, 2, 3 pieces? At the most you can have is 2. Okay, you can have 0 pieces, 1 piece, or 2 pieces. Okay, and really you should have 1 with a letter and 1 with a number. Okay, and so on here it tells me that something needs to get combined because there are 3 pieces. So who can get put together?
The 12 and the 2.
The 12 and the 2. Okay, so what is 12 minus 2? 10. So over here we're going to get 10 plus 2x equals 5x plus 1. Okay, how many pieces are on the left side now? There's 2. How many are on the right side? There's 2, okay? And just to recap from yesterday, so if we look at this very first one, is this a letter or a number?
Number.
It's a number. What about this one?
Letter.
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 Number.
Number. Okay, where do letters go?
On the left.
To the left. Numbers go to the right. Okay, so, and you just start running through and asking yourself, so 10, is that a letter or a number?
Number.
It's a number, and so where does he go?
On the left.
On the right side, so we need to move. So we're going to say minus 10, and what's he going to get put under over here? The 5 or the 1?
The 1.
Under the 1, so we're going to say minus 10. Okay, who else needs moved?
2x.
Uh-uh,
No. 5x.
the 5x. Why the 5 and not the 2?
No, 5's on the right.
5's on the right, and letters go to the left. So we're going to say minus 5x, minus 5x. Okay, so 2 minus 5. This is where you guys chime in. What is 2 minus 5? Negative 3x. 1 minus 10. Negative 9. Okay, and then what needs done? Divide by negative 3. So we get x equals 3. Okay, so once you get the x part, you need to go back through and read the directions of what it's telling you to do. So did it say find x? Find df. Okay, what is df? df is that one of the smaller ones or the giant one? It's the giant one, right? So that means on my screen that it's this blue one. Okay, this is this df. It's the whole one. Okay, and so my df is really what? What does it say? df is what? df is 5x plus 1. But now we know our x. What is my x value?
3.
3. So it's going to be 5 parenthesis 3 plus 1.
16.
And that's going to be 16. Okay, so that's our final answer as far as that stuff goes. Okay. Finish go?
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yep. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Again, we're going to add the two littles together and set it equal to the big. So what's my first little one?
3x plus 21.
Where are you looking at? Are you on the same problem as we are?
It's 3.
3x minus 5. Good. Plus the other little one, which is 8, equals my big one, which is 2x plus 8. Okay, how many pieces are on the right? How many pieces are on the right?
2.
Oh, on the right, yep, it's 2. How many are on the left?
3.
Who got a lunch detention? Mark It is. You're welcome. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Have fun. What's it for? Tardies, probably. It was tardy? Oh, what'd you do? Never mind, the camera's on. You can tell me in a minute. Okay, how many pieces are on the left? There are 3. So something on the left needs combined because we're only allowed 1 or 2 or none. So who on the left needs combined?
Negative 5 and the 8.
The negative 5 and the 8. Okay, so negative 5 plus 8 is what? Negative 5 plus 8. 3. Okay, so we're gonna get 3x plus 3 and 2x plus 8. Okay, we need to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. Okay, so here is the left side. 3x, is that a letter or a number? It's a letter. And where is he right now? On the left. So is that where he belongs? Yes, so he does not need moved. Okay, 3, is it a letter or a number? It's a number, so he needs moved over to the right. And is he going to go under the 2 or under the 8? Under the 8. So we're going to say minus 3. Okay, who else needs moved then? The 2x, because we already know we decided that 3 did not need moved, so it has to be this one. Okay, and if you remember, you should have, everybody should have somebody underneath of them, and 2 things should cross out on both sides of the equal sign. Okay, so if they don't, then something's wrong. Okay, 3x minus 2x. So what is 3 minus 2?
1.
1. So 1x equals 8 minus 3. 5. Okay, and then what? Divide by 1. So we're at x equals 5. Okay, what did our things tell us to find? HF. And what is HF? Take a second, look at your picture. HF is what? 2x plus 8. Okay, so it's the giant one at the bottom. Okay, and now we know our x. What is my x value? 5. So 2 times 5 plus 8, you can type that whole thing into your calculator, and what are you going to get? 18. Okay, so my giant one is 18. And we kind of did this yesterday. So if you know your whole one is 18, and one of your small ones is 8, what is the other small one? 10. It's got to be 10, right? Because 10 plus 8 is going to give you that 18. Okay? We got 2 left. Okay, so the back looks a little bit different, but it is the same. But so what I want you to do is to draw the picture, okay? So A, B, C are collinear, meaning they are all on the same line, just like on the front. B is between A and C, okay? So that means it's going to look like this. A, B, and C. Okay, A, B, and C. Okay, find AB if AC, okay, so where is AC? Is that going to be one of the small ones or the giant one?
The giant one.
It's going to be the giant one. So we're going to write it below here just so we can kind of see our picture. It's going to be x plus 34. BC is 11. Where is BC? Is that going to be the small on the left or the small on the right?
Right.
The small on the right. That means it's going to be up here. And AB, where's that?
Left.
The left on the small. 2x plus 35. 2x plus 35. Okay, so now this looks just like the front page, okay? And it's going to be essentially the same, okay? So we're going to go ahead and say 2x plus 35 plus 11 equals my big one, which is x plus 34. And I don't know if we've talked about this. What number, if there's no number in front of an x, what number is it?
0.
It's a 1, okay? So it's always a 1. And I will say it for the rest of the year, so by the end of the year, you'll remember. And you're like, oh my God, she's so annoying. okay? Okay, so, how many pieces are on the left? There are 3 on the left. How many is on the right? 2. So something on the left needs combined. Okay, who can get combined on the left?
35 and 11.
35 and 11. What is 35 plus 11? 46. So we got 2x plus 46 equals 1x plus 34. Okay, and again, we're going to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. So just start off and start asking yourself, 2x, is that a letter or a number? It's a letter, so does he need moved? No, he's already on the left. 46, is that a letter or a number? Number, so he needs moved. And where's he going to go under? Under the 34, good. Okay, and again, we've already checked the 2, so we don't need to go back. We just keep going this way. Okay, 1x, is that a letter or a number? A letter. And where is he right now? He's on the right. And where should he be? On the left. So that means that one needs to move. So minus 1x, minus 1x. And again, I know it's being a dead horse, but everybody should have something underneath of it, and we should have 2 big x's on both sides. Okay, that means everything canceled. It looks good. Okay, 2x minus 1x. Okay, so essentially, what is 2 minus 1? 1. So 1x equals 34 minus 46. 34 minus 46. Negative 12? Negative 11?
Wait, no.
I don't know what it is. You got 12? Okay. That's okay. And then what needs done? We're going to divide by 1 on both sides. And so we get x equals negative 12. Okay, now, if we go back through and read, what did it tell us to find?
Find AB.
Find AB. Which one was AB?
2x plus 35.
2x plus 35. It was the small on the left. Okay, so AB is going to be, AB is 2x plus 35. And we know the x now. What is the x?
Negative 12.
Negative 12. So it's going to look like 2 parenthesis negative 12 plus 35.
59.
59? Does somebody agree with that?
I got 11.
Yeah, I am got another one.
Yeah,
I got 11.
You got 11? Okay, so below, make sure maybe, did you put the negative? No? Okay. What is it? 11? Positive? 11?
Yeah.
Okay. We got one more. Can I scroll? Okay, 7. We're going to go ahead and start drawing our picture. Okay, so again, it's still going to look like ABC. A, B, and C. Okay, BC is 2x plus 32. Where is that located? Is it small or big? It's a small on the left or the right? On the right. Okay, it's a small on the right. So we're going to get 2x plus 32. AB is 4. Where is that? Small left. Okay, AB is 4. AC is x plus 24. Where is that located?
The big one.
Is the big one on the bottom. So x plus 24. Okay, and so now we're ready to go ahead and set this up. We got 4 plus 2x plus 32 equals x plus 24. We're even. That wasn't smart because we're on the last problem.
That's fine.
Yeah, we'll see. How many pieces are on the left?
3.
There's 3. How many is there allowed? There's only allowed 2. So who's gonna get combined here on the left side? Huh? 4 and 32. What is 4 plus 32? 36? So we get 36 plus 2x equals, again, what goes in front of an x if there's no number?
1.
A 1. Okay, so it's going to look like 1x plus 24. Okay, we're going to move our letters to the left and the numbers to the right. Okay, so, and just, again, start from the left, start reading. Okay, 36. Is that a letter or a number? Number. So where does he go? On the right. So he needs to move. So we're going to say minus 36. And what's that going under? Under the 24. Okay, and this is kind of a cheater way, but notice how I already have a big X on this side? Yes?
Yeah.
You see that I canceled? That means that something over here needs canceled, which tells me that the 1 is what needs moved. Okay, now if that doesn't work for me, just keep asking yourself, 2x, that's on the left, so that's good. Okay, so the 1x is what needs moved. Okay, 2 minus 1, 1x. 24 minus 36, negative 12. Okay, and then what?
Divide it.
We're going to divide by negative 1. So we get x equals negative 12. Okay, go back through and read the instructions. What did it tell us to find?
AC.
It said find AC, and what is AC?
The big one?
But what is it?
X plus 24.
X plus 24, right? And so we know that our x is what now?
Negative 12.
Negative 12 plus 24. What is negative 12 plus 24? It is 12. Okay, you guys have 4 to do on your own.